Mastering English phrases. Understanding, going after. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, going after. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering English, so let's dive in and unravel its meanings and uses together. Going after can be understood in its most direct sense, to follow or pursue someone or something. It's often used when talking about physically chasing or following. For example, the police are going after the thief. Here, it implies a physical pursuit. Beyond its literal meaning, going after can also have a more figurative or metaphorical sense. It often means to try to achieve or obtain something, such as a goal or ambition. For instance, she is going after her dream of becoming a doctor. In this case, it's about striving for a personal aspiration. In competitive situations, going after can mean trying to defeat or outdo someone. It's commonly used in sports, business, or any competitive field. For example, in the game, the team is going after a win against their rivals. Here, it signifies a competitive pursuit. Sometimes, going after can carry a connotation of aggressiveness or determination. It suggests not just pursuing something, but doing so with a strong intent or force. For example, the lawyer is really going after a victory in this case. This implies a vigorous and determined effort. Let's look at how to use going after in daily conversations. It's versatile and can fit into various contexts, such as ambitions. I'm going after a promotion at work. Relationships, he's going after her heart. Or challenges, they are going after a solution to the problem. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, going after, and its various uses in English. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your language skills and fluency. Keep practicing, and you'll be going after mastery in English in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.